So hello guys, it's your girl Yaselina Cooks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So guys, I'm going to make rock cakes. Yeah, but I don't have sultana, so basil. So I'm just going to make rock cakes without dried fruits. So guys, join me as I make rock cakes. Yeah. So for my ingredients, I have 3 eggs. I have my all-purpose flour. I have my sugar, baking powder, margarine. Yeah, guys, I don't have dried fruits for today because
So you could have made the simple one that you have those instruments.
I'm not going to use dried fruits.
Which flavor are you going to make for us?
Coconut again, coconut.
And is it a must you have those cherries?
No, it's not a must, but it's one of the ingredients.
Okay.
But it's not a must.
So you'll have to bake coconut.
I'm just going to use
Coconut.
flavor again. I don't love vanilla essence, so I'm just going to go with the things
And-
I have here. No sultanas. Yeah. So let's begin, guys. So I'm going to measure my flour. Yeah. So let me see. I don't have the quantity in mind, so I'm just going to go with my approximation. So let me see.
But with me,
Yeah.
those are approximation. What of the baking powder?
Yeah, one funny thing about me, I know how to approximate flour with baking powder. I usually know how. So especially like when I use cups to measure flour, let's say I've used like 3 cups of flour. For me, for the baking powder, I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon because these are raw ingredients.
Okay.
So
So how many cups are you going to use?
I haven't decided yet, guys, but let's see how many cups I'm going to use.
Okay.
Yeah. We're Africans. And it's like I'm going to use for 4 cups, okay? Yeah, 4 cups of flour. Yeah, that's it. Then, people are sick nowadays. So I'm just going to go with 1 cup of sugar.
Mm-hmm.
People don't have too much sugar. Hey, right? Sorry, guys. So, guys, for my baking powder, since I've used 4 cups of flour, I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon and a half. 1.5. Okay. That. Let's mix this up. So I'm mixing my baking powder, flour, and sugar. Then, guys, what I'm going to do next is go in with my margarine. Yeah. I'm just going to go in with my margarine. I don't know if it's going to be enough. So guys, I'm going to go in with my hands and rub in well. I'm going to rub in into a sandy texture. Rub in very well. Come show people how I'm rubbing in. This is rubbing in, guys. Rubbing in. Guys, this is how it's supposed to be. You see, sandy texture, guys. This is a mixture of flour, margarine, and sugar, and baking powder. And this is how it's supposed to be. You rub it into a sandy texture. So now I'm going to go in with my eggs, guys. Making is so simple, guys. Yeah, so guys, I've added my eggs. So let me mix this.
You've just put three, two.
2 eggs. Let me just start with 2 eggs first. Yeah. Mhm. Let me just go in with my 2 eggs.
Your voice is so down. I don't know if
Let
they're
me just go with
getting.
my. Okay, guys, I'm adding my third egg. Yeah. I don't think that. I think I'm good. So, guys, I've added my egg. So let me just approximate my coconut flavor here. So, hey, sorry, guys. So I'm going to use these tins, guys. I don't have the other ones for cookies and cheese corn. So, guys, I hope you understand. I'm going to use these ones. Yeah. So I'm going to grease my tins. I'm just going to grease my tins well. Guys, I hope you understand. Honestly, I'm going to use these ones. I want. So, guys, I'm going to put my drop cake dough here. Remember, you're not supposed to shape them. You just scoop them and put them in your baking tin like this. You see, I'm not shaping my dough. Just scooping my dough. Shapeless. They should be shapeless, guys.
Okay.
So, guys, I'm going to use my fork. This is what I'm going to do with my fork, guys. So, guys, I'm going to wash my cupcake dough. This is what we call egg washing.
Na wata kuchekelea na brush yako.
Huh?
Wata kuchekelea brush.
This is egg washing, guys. Um, So, guys, we're going to bake our rock cakes into the oven. So, traditional oven, guys, that uses charcoal. So, haitoshi. Guys, my rock cakes are ready. Just look at them. Wow, they look good. Place your orders with me, guys.
Okay.
Guys, finally, our rock cakes are baked and well baked, guys. Just take a look at our rock cakes, guys. Yeah, look at these, guys. Nice, well baked. Yeah, and I believe they're delicious, guys. Yeah. Feel free to try this recipe in your homes and tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. And to my new viewers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos, guys. Bye. See you in my next video.